Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Najmatur Rahmali from Economic Education Study Program Concentration of Accounting Education 2019, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. In this video, I would like to present about my internship program report in the Finance and Accounting Department at PT Kangar Consolidated Industries. I did an internship for 102 working days from 15 February until 15 July 2022. From Monday to Friday, and working hours for 8.5 working hours per day, starting at 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. First, I will explain to you about my internship company profile. PT Kangar Consolidated Industry is a company engaged in manufacturing producing glass bottle. PT Kangar Consolidated Industries is a joint venture with an Australian company is OI, which is the largest glass bottle in the world. OI Jakarta was inaugurated in February 22, 70 and 73. PT Kangar Consolidated Industry in Raya Bekasi Street, Ujung Menteng, Cakung, East Jakarta City in Division Account Payable. In carry out company activities, PT Kangar Consolidated Industry has a vision and mission for a goal to be achieved. The vision is responsible for providing innovative and competitive packaging results for leading food and beverage companies around the world. The mission is realize future success for our customer, employee, and shareholders. Corporate culture is need to achieve company goals, and culture PT Kangar Consolidated Industry is first, safety is finishing each every day injury and incident free. Second, passion is open, honest, and courage is creating a better OI. Third, teamwork is collaboration to get future and faster. Fourth, diversity is multiple perspectives are better. 5. Integrity is always the what's right. 6. Excellent is always improving. And 7. The last, customer centric is we win when our customer win. Finance Division Organizational Structure, led by Ms. Felicia as Finance Director and Mr. Yoel as Controlling Manager, who oversees the Commercial Controller by Ms. Christine and Plant Controller by Ms. Tata. Then, Mr. Ronald as the Finance Controller, who oversees 4 sections: Account Receivable by Mr. Daniel, Account Payable by Ms. Lucy, Tax by Mr. Daniel, and Treasury by Ms. Devi. Job desk at PT Kangar Consolidated Industry. 1. Make a receipt for an invoice in the form of the hard copy when it is just received from vendors. And this is an example of an invoice receipt. 2. Performing a withholding tax review on newly received invoice from vendors. Its purpose is to classify transactions. They are subject to Income Tax Article 23. And this is an example of an invoice that contains Article 23 withholding tax income. 3. Scan invoice consisting of invoice, tax invoice, purchase order, and travel document to Redsoft software. And this is an example of an invoice, tax invoice, purchase order, and travel documents. 4. Perform input as invoice processing flow in the Redsoft application, or commonly called drug in the company. To make it easier to input invoice into the SAP application. 5. To input invoice from the drug result on the READSoft application into the SAP, System Application and Products. SAP is an application that is used to record all transactions related to finance. 6. Reconcile in the output generated from inputting in SAP, which is equate with a hard copy invoice. Reconciliation aims to equalize the result entered in the SAP application with invoice. 7. Scan and number the text invoice that have been duplicated and spared from the invoice text have just been received from the vendor. 8. File the input text invoice according to the month period into the order. And the last, 9. Smoothing the soft copy of the invoice in SAP that has been dragged. The gap between theory and practice. First, manufacturing company accounting cycle knowledge. The accounting cycle in practice is very complex, which is different from what is taught. Second, implementation of the use of SAP, because it was never taught on campus. Third, calculation of income tax article 23. The case studies took are very simple. They don't explain what if in one invoice there is a purchase of service and goods. The problem. First, knowledge of the use of the READSoft application or Citrix receiver. Second, knowledge of application use the SAP system application and products. Third, having difficult in conducting of withholding tax review. Problem solving. First, find out more about the use of application related to finance. 2. Try to always ask the supervisor at the office about the assigned tax. Conclusion. Internship activities can provide new experience and knowledge about the real world of work and provide an overview of work and the work environment. The suggestion for students. First, prepare yourself with sufficient knowledge. 2. Looking for an internship from far away. For university, first, prepare student with the knowledge needs to carry out an internship. Second, make sure there is a defined implementation schedule before the internship. For company, first, provide guides on the work given to a practice. Second, provide a guidebook regarding the use of application they are desired by interns in carry out their duties. Thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.